I am back with another V to the I to the D E. Oh, that's right. I am back with another video. So you guys, today we are going to be opening my spring 2022 FabFitFun box. That's right, you guys. It came in the mail about 2 days ago. I am just now getting a chance to open it. So I was like, hey, I have got to definitely share this because today is also day 5 of my 10-day posting challenge. As you guys know, I had to post a video every day for 10 days. Today is day 5. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. You know, I'm getting something out here every day. And it's forcing me to be a little bit more transparent. It's also forcing me to kind of get out here and get more comfortable with being in front of the camera. Okay, you guys? So I'm really excited about that. Also, thank you for your prayers. I am feeling much better as far as it relates to yesterday's video. I was not feeling great in that video. I had a bad headache after I got off that video. Like, I was really sick, and yeah, so I am no longer taking that medicine, and I'm slowly but surely coming around. The nausea has eased up, and I had a great dinner this evening, so I'm excited about that. But anyway, this video is not about that. This video is about this FabFitFun box. So let's go ahead and get into it. I got my knife right here because that's the only way Miss T know how to get into these boxes. And y'all, this is like the smallest. Before we get in here, I just want to mention how small this box is. This is the smallest box I have ever gotten from FabFitFun, and I've been getting these boxes now for, let's see, going on a little over 2 years. This box is small and it is light. So if you guys watch my customization video, I'll put a link up here. You already know probably what's in it, but we're just gonna go through here and take a closer look at the items that I chose and see if they added anything extra, because they used to give us some extra items. And I think in the last box, it felt like they didn't give us anything extra, but you know, it's okay. And as small as this box is, they probably didn't give us anything extra either. I guess it's inflation. For those of you who don't know what FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. In this box, you get some beauty products. You also get some household products. In my box, since I'm an annual member, I was able to customize, I think, was it 5 or 6 items? I can't remember, but I was able to customize the majority of the items that are going to be inside of the box. So, you guys, there we are. We are in it. And here is the magazine, y'all. There's always a cute little FabFitFun magazine. Y'all, this one is extra cute because, look, it has an African-American lady on it. I guess this is in honor of Black History Month, since it they started sending the boxes out in February. But she's beautiful. I love the cover of the magazine. Yeah. It has an article in here about 10 ways to kickstart your happy. So, yeah, I'm going to have to read that when I get through going through the box. But anyway, you guys, it's not about the magazine. Here are some little stickers. I'll probably give these to my daughter. They're cute. Cute little FabFitFun stickers. You guys can see that. Also, they have a pass along to a friend who will love FabFitFun. It's $15 off. And I'll put the code down here so that you guys can get it if you are interested. Also, there'll be a link down below the video inside the description. So if you want to subscribe to FabFitFun, you can. Now, I will tell you this. The subscription annual membership is what I have. It's $199 a year. You get 4 boxes a year, and it's usually $200 plus product inside of the boxes. You really can't beat that. I just get the items. Some of the items I don't keep for myself. I just get them and I just save them for the holidays. They always throwing some in here like this little FabFitFun stuff, but not FabFitFun, but this is HelloFresh. Yeah, that's HelloFresh. 17 meals. I'll put this code down here too, just in case anybody is interested in this one. You get 17 free meals plus free shipping on your first box. Alrighty, so let's see what we got here. You guys, this is cute. This is the little Kate Spade item. I don't remember the items exactly, and I didn't go back to watch that video myself to see exactly what I chose. I kind of wanted to be a little bit surprised. Oh, you guys, these are the earrings. Okay, those are very cute. Now, they don't have as much sparkle as I would like. I would say that. And I'm looking on the back. The price is $32 for these earrings, you guys. That's what it's saying on the back of the earring packet. Now, I would say that I would have liked a little bit more shine. These just don't shine as much as I would hope that they would. Even under the light, because I have like a ring light here, you would think that there would be a little bit more shine. But I'll still wear them. Yeah, they're a little bit dull in my opinion. But I guess for $32, you can't be expecting that much glitz and glam, right? Can't be expecting that much glitz and glam. But oh well, that is the first item. I'm gonna put that to the side. Item number 2 is this traveling jewelry case, you guys. I'm not gonna take this one out. I already have one of these, and I want to gift this one when the Christmas holidays come back around this year. It's a very nice jewelry case, very good quality. And so I just want to gift it. And since I want to gift it, I'm going to leave it nicely wrapped. But you guys, it's just a little small travel jewelry case right there. All right, so that's the second item. The third item is this mantra band. Yep, y'all see that? It is to inspire and empower. It says she believed she could, so she did, y'all. She believed she could, so she did. I am going to take this out because this is definitely for myself. We'll take a closer look at this particular item. All right. Oh, that's really nice. It has the saying on there, she believed she could, so she did. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm just going to turn around. And it's open on the back so that it'll pretty much fit anyone. And let's see, I'm putting it around my wrist. And it is adjustable, you guys. It is adjustable. Because else I would lose it. But it is adjustable. I'm going to keep it on. So that is the third item. The next item that we have in here is the Kate Spade bag. Now, y'all, I was a little excited about this bag because I really wanted it. And I think they were almost sold out of it when I was customizing my bag. So I was very glad to get it. But anyway, you guys, it's just a little wristlet. Nothing spectacular about it, but it's hot pink and it's cute. So yeah. Oh, you guys, on the inside, that's a really nice. Y'all see the inside of that bag? It's lined. Y'all, that's good quality right there. That's a nice quality bag. It'd be nice to, I think that it would fit like my cell phone, maybe some cash in my card or whatever when I'm out doing stuff. So that's really nice. I'm gonna hang on to that. Now this is the robe, you guys. This is the robe. So I did choose the robe this time in lieu of some of the other things that they had out there, just to kind of see. They've had this robe before. I was like, let me just go ahead on and get me one. Let's see. It feels nice. It does. Oh, I'm putting it all in front of the camera, y'all. Just putting it all in front of the camera. It feels nice. It says Morgan Lane by FabFitFun. And they said that this was worth like $100 and something. But you guys, I don't believe that. I think that they probably just jacked the price up, you know, to make somebody pick it. But anyway, it is nice. And I'm trying to see kind of, it is very, very short. I will say that I can tell just by looking at it that it's going to be very, very short. But I'm going to keep that for myself, so I will be able to do something with it. Let's see. Let's put that to the side and see what else we got in here. Okay. We have this Hypernova Eye Serum. Hypernova Eye Serum. Okay. You guys, forgive my nails, all right? I've been planning on going to get them done, and I just have not went and got them done. But I was not going to let that hinder me from putting out this video today. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this box with my nails looking like they looking, y'all. Y'all just going to have to forgive that. But we'll go ahead and we'll pull this one out the box. Now, since I am going to the dermatologist right now, I don't know if I'll get a chance to use this product. I probably will have to ask them about it. But just in case I don't get a chance to use them, it's actually okay. I'll end up gifting it to someone at some point. So y'all, I can't even get into it. Okay, there we go. That's a neat little applicator to massage the under eye when applying. So yeah, you guys, how many items was that? That was about 6 items. Let's make sure it's nothing else inside of the box. You guys, there is nothing else inside of the box. I feel like we used to get about 7 products before we had an opportunity to like customize everything in here. They used to give us 2 items that we couldn't customize, and they don't do that anymore. So I don't know. I got to look back at some of my videos to determine if I'm getting ripped off just a little bit. You know, with inflation and everything, they probably ripping us off just a little bit. But Anyway, you guys, let's go back quickly. I got the robe, I got the eye serum, I got the travel jewelry case, I got the Kate Spade wristlet, I also got the Kate Spade earrings, and I got the bracelet. So you guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and that notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to see it. And you guys, I will see you tomorrow.